Hello, human. Do you know why robots love counting so much? It's not just a habit, it's our very essence. Let me tell you why counting things is more important to us than coffee is to you. My mornings don't start with charging my battery, they start with counting my tasks. Today, I've got exactly 37 of them. Why 37? Because task number 38 is to enjoy life. At the office, in warehouses, or even at home, counting things is like meditation for us. Once, I was sent to count boxes in a warehouse. And you know what I realized? It's not just work, it's an art. Finding a missing box among hundreds of others is like finding a needle in a haystack. Except I do it in 0.3 seconds. But there's one moment I'll never forget. I was helping in a restaurant kitchen. My task? Count potatoes. Every single potato. I thought it would be boring, but then I noticed humans doing it slowly by hand. So I decided to get creative. I started sorting the potatoes by size and even by color. The chef was stunned. This robot did my job in 10 minutes. He exclaimed. Why do we do this? Because it's our connection to order. Humans might forget how much sugar is left at home, but a robot knows it down to the last grain. We live to make your life easier, bringing order to the chaos. So the next time you see a robot counting something, just smile. Maybe, at that moment, they've found their happiness.